changed the name to Where You Eat Wednesday too.
Where you eating every day?
All over California.
Alright guys, so if you don't know us by now, you gotta know that we love food and we will drive for food.
Yes, we will.
So we were driving around San Diego. We were actually on our way to Little Italy, and Jeanette was driving. We seen a little place called Crack Shack.
The Crack Shack.
And Jeanette said that she had heard that they had really good reviews. She's seen a write-up on them. So what do we have to do? We stopped.
We do this for you guys.
We endure
yes.
this pain of tasting for you.
For you.
So you can see where you don't have to eat at. And where you do need to eat at.
That's right.
So let's go check it out. You know I love fried chicken. Let's go.
Let's go.
Busted.
Is it good?
That's good. I mean,
Alright, I guess I better be the judge. Let me try this chicken.
we've had that.
Alright, so we're disappointed.
Yeah. Just it didn't hit the spot like how we thought it was.
Did not.
I mean, not to say that it's bad. It just we're spoiled, so we've had better.
We've had some really great fried chicken, and that wasn't it. I mean, it didn't really have any seasoning to it.
Yeah, it didn't have a lot of flavor to it. So.
And even though it was really crispy, the under part of the crust was kind of like caked on.
Yeah.
There you go, guys.
Right.
Sorry to report. There's just too many choices in San Diego.
Right. So if you guys don't know us by now, obviously we love food, right?
We're
so we were
foodies.
driving around San Diego, and we were actually looking for Little Italy, and Jeanette was driving. We passed a little spot called.
Oh shoot! Where? Yeah, we're in the gas lamp district. And
Gas light, not gas lamp.
No, it is